spray around. You can see there's like limescale everywhere. So we're gonna crack on the big side now, which is the bath and the tiles, and then we are going to slowly switch to the small part. So let's wait when the acid's gonna do the job, and we see if it goes. Okie doke, let's see where we are. It's been like 5 minutes when the acid is kicking. It's very difficult to get into that place because you can't move that glass, but you can move it inside. So let me see. I don't know if you can see, but this is coming off. Very easy. So you just have to break the structure. Wait a couple of few minutes. And then see, that's all the crap which been sticking to that bath. And now even the tiles, this looks better, but for the tiles you're gonna use the steam cleaner. I won't be scrubbing. I just need to fix that bath properly. Alright guys, I'm gonna switch off the camera now, but as you can see, the acid is lovely breakdown all that crap. So I just need to do a few more passes, then I have to rinse it, and I can move to the tiles section and to the glass panel, and then slowly into that place floors, and we're going to the next one. Let me quickly show you what you can do if you know how to use the acid. Remember that limescale on this side? It's all coming off easily. But if you touch that top with the acid, you're gonna cause discoloration. Look. That's what you get when you know how to use this heavy stuff, not those shopping weak products which cost fortune and doesn't do the job because of the health and safety issues. Now we're going on the back. See? Everything is coming off. Okay, so the sink is ready. It took me like maybe a minute. Now I'm gonna suck all that crap with the vacuum and with the steam, and I'm gonna use another product on that taps to make sure that it's nice and shiny as much as can be. Okay, the bathroom is singing, dancing as well. It took me, like I say, about an hour, which is not too bad. So all the units has been clean. This Limescale underwater line, I just have to put solution, leave it for 15-20 minutes, brush it, and it will come off beautifully. The glass panel is done. bath, floors. So now we're gonna move to the next bathroom. I'm creating the group on the Facebook, so I will leave the link to that group in the description on the bottom of the video. This is the group of the people who are in the business, or they can also join people who want to start the cleaning business. It's gonna be great fun. I was never able to find out the group which is going through crazy crap, and they make a video, they're sharing the experience, they're asking the questions. So it's definitely gonna be good place to be if you want to go on another level. So the second bathroom, same thing, floor is completely trashed. There's discolorations to the seal around the edges. We've got a Limescale. We've got Limescale in here as well. We've got Limescale to the shower, cubic. So it's pretty similar procedure like for the last one. As you can see, the glass is not too bad. Mirror, Limescale in the sink, Limescale around the edges. And as soon as I've wrapped this place, the hardest part of the cleaning is gonna be done, and I'm going to start fixing the rooms, and I should be ready in about 4 hours fully to wrap up this job. So it should took me about 8 to 9 working hours. Okay, we've got another bathroom sorted. Took another hour. I was here around 9:30, it's 11 o'clock, so around 2.5 hours with moving yourself, all this kind of bits. So it's about hour per bathroom, as I say, even if it's really dirty. It's another Limescale under the water line, but like I said, it's just to put the special mixture and it will disappear as soon as it's gonna be rinsed out. I don't want so as much we can, we did sorted that place. Like I say, we're not here to do the restorations of the property. We're here to prepare the property for the new tenant that he can safely move in. Some places you have to be very detailed, some places you just have to provide good cleaning, but not be bothered about really like details. So here we go. Now I'm gonna take care about the rooms. I'm gonna start moving everything, get all those crap, wrap it up into the box, good vacuuming of the skirtings, radiators, cleaning of the windows, mopping the floor, and in about 2 hours I should be ready to... Okay, so everything is done. I can finally close that door and move to the next one. As you can see, property has been cleaned to the very high standard. We did move all the furnitures. All the rooms are nice and shiny. Another bathroom. So that's it. See you in the next one. It was great to see you watching that movies. It's not easy to do those movies, trust me. It's when you're rushing and you try to do the job quickly, and then on the meantime you have to take your gloves, recording everything. It's not something simple, but maybe I'm gonna improve that with some camera which gonna be stick it to the head or something. I don't know yet, but for now, thank you for watching. It's my pleasure that you can see what I'm doing, and maybe I can help you. That will be amazing as well. If you don't mind, just leave your like and share, or just leave some comment with some questions. It's always good for algorithms to pop in the video on top of the searches, so that, you know, hours of editing and recording is gonna be at least paid off by the more visibility, and that's what I would love to ask you. So thank you so much for your time, and I will see you in the next one.